Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a window cleaner or a glass cleaner. The ingredients: ethanol, distilled water, vinegar. This one, guys, is very easy. So our ethanol, 200 milliliter, distilled water, 50 milliliter, and our vinegar, 2 tablespoons. So we just go to mix it. We just mix everything together and mix it. And that's it, guys. So maybe, guys, you are asking yourself, what is distilled water? Where can I get distilled water? So now, guys, because you know we are making our things DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a distilled water. So guys, let me show you how to make distilled water. Here's our water in the pot. You put it there by the stove, and then you look for something, a container or something like this. When the water starts to boil, you put the container on top. You just put the container, it will float on top of the water, and then you close with your lid. But you are not closing like the way we close the pot. You are closing it like this. So now when the water start to boil, it will make like a water vapor, and that water vapor, bit by bit, it will drop in the container inside the pot, and then that's our distilled water. So guys, I'm sure you are asking yourself, is boiling water the same as distilled water? The answer is no. Distilled water is the water that has been stripped everything. Minerals like calcium, sodium, and magnesium that give the tap water familiar flavor. What's left is just hydrogen and oxygen and nothing else. So, is distilled water safe to drink? The answer is yes. But the water is just bland and flat. And you can drink distilled water, but not too much, because our body needs those calcium, those sodium. So tap water is the best. So guys, maybe you are asking yourself, what's the use of distilled water? We can use distilled water for the batteries and for the irons. So yeah, guys, so please comment, please share, and please guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.